Welcome to my vlog, and today this is the video to get how do we glitch in the map. So let's go. So try this. And here you go. You glitch in the game. Like, look at this. Look at this. You glitch out of the game. Yeah, it's a tutorial. You can get out, but you can return and do like, and then you do like this. You glitch out of the game. Well, I'm gonna show you the game though. Here you go. Here you go. Here's the game though. No, not that, not that, not that. Swing Abby for brain rots. Yeah, that's my favorite.
Oh.
This is my aunt. And this is my grandpa sleeping in my room.
Oh.
Also though, I can't see my brain rots because it's loading. Can you hurry up? I'm trying to record here. Yeah. Take me out of my mind. Ooh. Here's okay. This is my brain rots. It's dry now. Look at this. Look at this. I don't have this, but I don't have any brain rots, but that's not it. I have this. Evil 6-7, Diamond Norcalio Dan 0, and a normal one, and an Evil 6-7 again, and a nuclear dinosaur again, and a diamond Pinturo Gipusore. Okay. Okay. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.